Yeah, so this is quadratic function, right? And if we convert, if there is a variable in the exponent, this is called exponential function, right? Like here we have x, which
Yeah.
is a variable. So y is equals to 2x. If you see, if I put 0, 2 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1, right? So this is
Yeah.
0. When x is 0, y is 1. Then if we put 1, we get 2, which is this point. If we put 2, we get 4, which is this point. So the graph goes like this. And if we
Okay.
put negative value, it goes very close to x-axis, but it does not meet it. Like you will get 1 over 16, 1 over 8, these values which are like less than 1, but it will not approach to 0. Even on negative numbers, the values of y are positive, even when x is negative, right?
Yeah.
uh, so
So it
2
doesn't
is,
matter if it's negative or positive, it's gonna go up.
yeah, what I mean, even if x is negative, still y is positive, it's going to go up. And this quadrant, basically range is from negative infinity to positive infinity, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean domain, not range. So solving exponential function, the exponent can be algebraic expression, like here x to the 3 to the power x minus 2. So here if you see 3, 3 is greater than 0. So when base is greater than 0, then the graph looks like this, this, okay?
Okay. So two
And
is the base. So as
yes,
long as the base is greater than 0, the base can't be equal to 1? What do you mean?
uh, here in this case, base is greater than 0, and when it is not equal to 1, is it should not be 0 to the power something,
Oh, okay.
not 0, but greater than 0. um, if we, like as I said, even when we put negative values, the function is always positive, right? 2 to
Yeah.
the power negative 1 is 1 half, 2 to the power negative 2 is 1 fourth, 1 eighth, 1 over 16. So raising to any exponents, we are getting positive values. So the horizontal asymptote is y is equals to 0, because it is going very close to y is equals to 0, right?
Yeah.
So this is our horizontal asymptote, y is equals to 0. If there is like only one exponential function, if there is something plus or minus, then there could be any other horizontal asymptote. So like here y is equals to 1 half. So if we put 0, when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 1 half, 1 fourth. So it is going close to y, uh, y 0, right? These values
Yeah.
are less than 1, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. But if you put negative values, still you are getting positive answer, right? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32.
Okay.
When the exponents are negative, you can see here negative 1, 2. For negative 2, you get 4. For negative 3, 2 to the power 3 is 8. So again, horizontal asymptote is y is equals to 0, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So,
So even if it's equal to a negative, it doesn't matter. Got it.
hmm. So if we have this exponential function and a is less than 1 and b is greater than 0, then the function will dip down to the right like this.
Okay.
Or the same is for if both, like if a is less than 0, b is greater than 0, or if a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, opposite. It's opposite, right?
Yeah.
In both case, it will dip down to the right. You can see it is going like this, and towards right, it is dipping down, right?
Okay.
If it is opposite, if both of them are greater than 1 and 0, or less than 1 and 0, then it tip to the right. I mean left, it should be left, right?
Okay, so wait.
Mm.
So if wait, go down. Yeah, so if A is less than okay. Wait, what's happening? Okay. So if A is less than 1 and B is greater than 0,
Mm.
so go down to the right. If A is less than 1 and B is greater than wait, what? Y equals AB. So if Y equals AB, no matter what happens, it's just going to the right.
No, if these conditions are met,
What if A is greater than 1 and B is also greater than 0?
then this is how graph looks like. If they both are greater than 0 or both are less than 0.
Okay, so if they're both greater, okay, so if they're both different, it goes down.
Yes,
It's a
exactly.
decay. And if it's both the same, it's positive.
Yes. Here both are different, right? One is in less than,
Yeah,
other is greater than. So it's going like this. And if both are same, then it goes like this. Okay.
yeah.
Hmm. Then domain are all real numbers, right? Negative to positive, all of them are possible. And range are all positive real number for this case. You can see it going upward, right? So range is from here to all positive numbers, right? Because range is
Yeah.
y-axis and domain is all x possible values. In this case, okay, yeah. So we can apply transformation here. Like suppose we have a plus 1 here, okay? So the function will
Okay.
remain same as for 2x, but it will shift vertically to positive 1. Like here it was on 1, right? This point,
Yeah, so they're
we
both
shift it.
greater than 1. Okay.
Yeah, we shift this by 1 point. So this will become this, okay?
Okay.
And here the horizontal asymptote is going to be y is equals to 1. This is the asymptote, okay? Whatever is plus with the main function. Now if there is a plus in the exponent, like here x plus 1, then what you need to do, you will shift, if it is positive 1, you will shift left side 1, okay?
Okay.
If it is negative 1, we shift right side 1 point.
Wait, so horizontal shift if it's negative.
Yeah. And in exponent, like if we have
Wait, but
2x,
how am I even supposed to tell if the x is 1 or 0?
x is, it is x plus 1 in question. You can check from question.
Oh, got it.
If it is in like if the plus 1 is in exponent, then you need to shift right or left. But if it is like this 1 is not an exponent, right? It's like this.
Yeah.
Then you need to go this is vertical shift. But if it is an exponent like this, then it is right or left, horizontal shift. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
if there is a negative sign, you need it is reflection across x-axis. Y is equals to 2x is like this, right? If we reflect it
Yeah.
across x-axis, it will go like this, right? This.
Yeah.
Hmm. And if the
So
exponent,
reflection.
hmm,
So if it's negative 2, it's a reflection and it goes closer to x.
yeah, this is the main function. If you reflect across x's, this is how it looks like. If the exponent is negative, like 2 to the power negative x, then it is reflection across y-axis. Okay.
Okay.
If there is a term like a, any constant, it can be vertical stretch term or horizontal stretch term. Like if you have 3x, um, so this is, there is no like the horizontal or vertical asymptote, because this is just 3x, right? So
Yeah.
uh, yeah, it will approach 0 to the left. And if there is negative x, then it will be a reflection across y-axis, right?
Yes.
Let's solve question and see. So 2 to the, if you have simple exponential function like this, you can just take x and y values. Like if you put 0, you get 1. If you put 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, right? And you can just plot
Okay.
it simply. Domain is, because it's going like this, domain is negative infinity to positive infinity, range is 0 to positive, right?
Yeah.
If you have some other terms with main function, like here, y is equals to 3x plus 1, we have plus 1 and minus 2. Minus 2, this is your horizontal asymptote always. This, whatever term is there with the main function. So y is equals to negative 2, which is this, is your horizontal asymptote. This is negative 1, this is negative 2. Now you need to put values in as x. How do I, like, what I do is x plus 1. What should I put here to make it 1 or 0? You can put it is equals to 0. So you get x is equals to negative 1. So if you put negative 1, so this is 0, and 3 to the power 0 is 1, right? And 1
Yeah.
minus 2 is negative 1. Or you can put, this is how you can think of what number you should put to make calculation easier, right? Because this is
Okay.
x plus 1. So if you put x negative 1, this will become 0. And anything to the power 0 is 1, right?
Yeah.
Also, you can put x 0. So this will just become 0 plus 1 is 3 to the power 1, which is 3, right? And if you plot these 2 points, you get like this, these 2 points. Now, because you know the asymptote, so you have an idea, like if these are the two points and this is your asymptotes, the graph will go like this, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. And
Uh,
how how do you go get this point? Like 1 point you can get from here. Negative 2 means down 2, right? 1, 2. And then positive 1 means left 1, right? So you go
okay.
2 down and left 1. So this is the point, right? So you get
Yeah.
one of them. And the domain is from negative infinity to positive. So for domain, for all exponential function, the domain is negative to positive, okay?
Yeah.
And range is negative 2, it's going up. So from negative 2 to positive infinity, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So for this one, 3 minus e to the power x minus 2, uh, what is your horizontal asymptote? 3, right?
Yeah.
Y is equals to 3 is your this asymptote. You put x and y values, just get 2 or 1 or 2 points, and then you can just get the answer. Let's get back to your homework, okay? Okay, so hmm, okay, what's wrong? Yeah, so first one is 1/3 to the power negative x, right? It's blur. Is it negative x?
Yeah.
Okay, so we write x and y values, or we can write it as 3 to the power x. Okay, I will take 3 to the power x, okay? This negative
Okay.
x will become positive, right? and this would be
Yeah.
easier. So x and y, because this is whole to the power negative x, so I can write like this, okay?
Okay, so it'd be y equals 3 to the power of x.
Hmm.
Oh, so it'd be growth.
Yeah, it would be exponential growth.
Okay.
Hmm. So if the b is greater than 1, I mean this base is greater than 1, and then it is growth. But if this is between 0 and 1, then it is decay, okay?
Okay.
So let's put some values of x. Suppose I take 0. If I take 0, x, the y is, x is 0, so y is 1, right? Because 3 to the power 0 is 1, right?
Yeah.
And if I take x1, then it is just 3. So these 2 points are enough, okay? Because I know there is
Okay.
no other thingy with the main function, like there is no plus 1 or plus 2. So the asymptote is y is equals to 0. So y, this is the asymptote. About this, either it will go like this or this, okay? So x is 0 and y is 1. So 0, 1 is this, right? When x is
Yeah.
1, y is 3, which is this. If 2 points are going like this and this is your horizontal asymptote, the graph is going to go like this, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay, so I think I need at least 3 points though,
Okay.
if
So,
it's graphable.
yeah. So if you, let's say, put 2 when x is 2, or you can take any negative number if you want. If x is 2, y is going to be 9. So x2, y 9. So this is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So 2 and 9. Yeah, it should. Let me plot it again. This is how it will go. Okay, something like this. Okay,
Yeah.
did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, try number 2. Keep saying whatever you are doing, okay, so I can understand what you are doing.
Um, so y equals 3x its growth, which just means it's the exact same thing as the previous question, right? So it's the exact same thing.
Exactly. Good. It is exactly same. So you need to do same. Hmm. Are you doing it? Or
Huh? Yeah, I'm just gonna redraw my graph
yes,
because
please.
I don't want to risk the chance of him not giving me credit, even if I draw an arrow. So I'm just gonna draw it anyway.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna redraw my graph. 0, comma 1. I mean table of values, not graph. 3, comma 2, comma 9. I can't count this. 2, comma wait, 1, comma 3. Oh my gosh. 2, comma 9. No, sorry. Oh yeah. Um, Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
I don't know if this is disrespectful, but I don't know much about other cultures. So, like, what's the purpose of Ramadan? My other friends are doing it too, but I didn't
Oh,
really know why they did it.
okay. The purpose is to like gain the, basically it gave us self discipline, and like in Quran it says it make you more conscious of God. That's why God asked you to
Oh,
do. Yeah,
got it.
because like food is like it is, I don't know, you know that term, I was about to say halal. We are, when we make our body and soul to go against something which we want to do, it is a
Mhm.
kind of self discipline.
Oh, that makes
Yeah, and even scientifically it build our immune system, because immune cells, they need to rest to create more immune cells. to
Okay,
boost immunity. So yeah.
I see. I get it. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
So
cool.
done.
Yeah, I finished graphing.
So number three, y is equals to 2 1/5. Uh, so 1/5 is there. There is a fraction, right? So is it going to be
Yeah.
growth or decay?
Um, it's gonna be decay.
Yes, this is decay. Let's take x and y values, plot it. So this is 2, 5 to the power negative x, right?
Yeah.
So if x is 0,
Oh, so it'd be growth, not decay.
no, this, let me see, the
Because you're
exponent will,
saying we could just flip it around, right? And just do 2 to the power of 5, but 2 times 5 to the power of negative x, right? But wouldn't that still be growth?
no, it is, the power is negative, so it still means that it is decay. The power is negative, right? Here power was positive, that's why it was growth.
Okay.
Yeah. So if x is 0, y is going to be 2, right? This is
Yeah.
1, 1 times 2. And x can be, if I put here negative 2, no, 5 times 25. Okay, let's take 1. Yeah, x is 1, so this will be 2 over 5, right?
Yeah.
Which is zero point 0.4. If x is 2, this is going to be 25, and 2 divided by 25 is,
So it'd still be decay.
yeah, let's see.
Okay.
Let's graph. X is 0, y is 2, which is this. When x is 1, y is 0 0.4,
Oh
which
wait,
is,
can we actually go into the negatives?
yeah.
Because once we get 1 comma 0.4, 2 comma 0.08 kind of becomes useless.
Okay, let's take a negative 1. So, yeah, I think negative would be
Yeah.
easier. So, if 2 times 5
So
to the power negative 1, a negative negative will become positive. So, if for negative 1 we are getting 10.
wait, what do you mean negative negative becomes positive? What's that for?
2 times 5 to the power, there is negative x, right? And I'm putting negative 1. So these two negative sign will become positive, right? Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it'd be positive one. So it'd just be 10.
Yes. So negative 1 is 10. So let's see. So 0, 2 is this. 1.4 is this. 2.8 is this. And negative 1 is 10, which would be here.
Yeah.
Suppose this is 10. So it will go like this, right? Like this, something like this, right?
Yeah.
Done?
Um, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so for these graphs, when there is no plus 1 or minus 1 with the main parent exponential function, the horizontal asymptote is y is equals to 0. It is always going to close, very close to y is equals to 0. Okay, either left side or right
Okay.
side. It depends on the function. Okay, you try number 4 by yourself.
Okay. So, wait, are you gonna be here or do you have something to do?
No, I'm here.
Okay. Okay. So first I'd convert it and I'd do 0.5 to the times 1/4 to the power of positive x. And
Hmm.
I'd plug in 0 and as my 0. 0, anything to the power of 0 other than 0 is equal to 1. So we just get what's 1 times 0.5, and we get 0 comma 0.5. So knowing that 0 is going to be 0.5, we don't really need to do anything else, right? Actually, no, I might have to. So we'll do 1, and then, no, we're not going to do 1. We're going to do -1, -1. So we're going to do 1/4 to the power of -1, which is like, I don't even know. Uh,
4, right? 1/4 to the power negative 1 is 4.
what? How? Wait,
You flip it.
please explain. Oh, okay. So we do -1 to the power, and then we just get 4. So would be 2. So we'd get -1, comma 2. And then we just do -2. So -2 would make it 16, right? And then 16 times 0.5 would be 8.
Yes, correct.
Really? Wow, I'm a good guess.
Good.
How is it 16? Can you explain it to me?
4 to the power 2. 4 times 4 is 16.
But what about the -2?
Yeah,
What happens to the
because
negative?
1/4 to the power negative 2 is 4 square, right?
Yeah.
When we convert it into positive part,
Oh, oh
which
my
is
gosh, yeah,
16.
yeah, yeah. Because like whenever it's messed up, you just do the flippy flip.
Yeah, flip it, flip.
Ah, stop, Mr. Computer. No, stop it. Fix it temporarily. Okay, sorry. Continue. I mean, I'll continue. Ah, what does E do? I don't know what that means. That's scary.
E is 10 exponential function. E, uh, you need to get the values from I think either you get a chart from school table that e to the power 1 is this much, e to the power 2 is this, or for now we can use Google.
Okay.
You will learn about log functions, then I will. E means exponential, okay? E is stands for exponential.
Uh, E stands for exponential.
Yes, exponential function. So are you done with 4, number 4?
Yeah, I graphed it and I have my table of values.
Okay, so fifth. Okay, let me explain number 5 because we need um, so 1 over 3 e to the power negative x. So x and y values, uh, so if I put x0, then y is going to be anything to the power 0 is,
Anything, anything to the power of 0 is 1.
yes. So this is 1. Now we can put, oh, this is 1/3 is also there, but
So it'd be
no,
0 comma 1/3, right?
yeah, no. Okay, sorry, yeah, 1/3, 1/3. And then -1, or should I put -1? Yeah. So let me search the values of E here. What values I'm putting. So let's take e to the power 2. If x is 2, okay, and 1,
Yeah.
and then I will take one negative value. So first let's start with 1. So e to the power 1. So e to the power 1 is 2.7. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's like 2.72, right?
Yeah. So this is, but when we put 1, this is negative, right? So this is negative 1, right?
Okay.
So I need
Yeah.
to put um, 0.36. Okay. Negative 1 is 0.36. This is 0.36. And if I put negative 1, so this will become positive 1, right? Because there is a negative sign already, right?
Okay, so wait. So first I get 0, comma 1/3.
Yes. If you put negative 1, because this is e to the power negative, and negative 1 will become e to the power positive 1, which is 2.78. Okay.
Uh,
And then e to the power negative 2, because x is negative. So e to the power negative 2 value. So this is 0.13. Okay. 0.13.
so wait, so it's 0, comma 1.3.
Oh,
Then
I have
it's
to multiply it one third. I didn't. Okay, let me put final y value here.
okay.
This is only e to the power. This is e
Okay.
negative x, and y values are here. So this is one third. This is e to the power 0 is 1. 1 times one third is then 0.13 um, times it with one third.
Yeah.
1 divided by 3 is 0.33, and then 0.13, which is 0.04. Then one third times 0.36 is 0.12, and 2.78 times one third is 0.92. Did you get it?
So 1/3. Um. So then we have negative. Okay. So the issue here is after we get 0, comma 1/3, right? I
Hmm.
already know that it's gonna be going down. So
Hmm.
doing like 2 and 1 is just useless. Can we do like -1 and -2? Because I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, negative 1 I did. See, the function is
Yeah.
e to the power negative x. Okay. So if
Okay.
I put negative 1 at place of x, two negative sign will become positive. So you get e to the power 1. Okay. If you put
Okay.
negative 2, negative, it is already a negative function. Negative 2 means e to the power positive 2. So if you search e to the power negative 2 value, and if you put it here, that would be wrong. So first you need to check with your function. If you are putting 2, but the function has already a negative sign, so you get a positive 2. Are you getting it?
Okay. So e to the negative x and use -1 so it makes it positive. And then e equals -2.
Like when you put negative 2 again, it makes it positive, right? And then you can just search its value or use calculator to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Okay, I'll make you do another one by yourself.
No! Wait, can we do -2,
Okay,
please?
let's do it here. Okay. So e to the power negative 2. The function is e to the power negative x, right?
Yeah.
So there is a negative sign. We put negative 2. So negative negative gives us positive 2. Okay. Now let's check the value of e to the power positive 2. If you put the negative 2, that would be wrong. So it is 7.38.
So
So this,
7.38. So -2,
but then there is one
7.38.
third.
1/3. Oh, my bad. So, okay, I have no idea what that is.
One third is,
-2.
hmm, so you got 2.46 if you times it with one third.
Yeah.
Hmm. You can note the values.
Okay, so -2, got my 2.46. -2,
So it's 0.
2.46.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, so it's the graph is going like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can I erase it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait, yeah, it's decay. Can't forget that.
So next one, is it 1 half 5 to the power x? Can you tell me? Function is 1 half 5 to the power x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, try this.
Yeah. Uh, hmm. Okay, so okay.
Is it positive x, 5 to the
X
power positive x, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Okay.
0, comma 2. Wait, 2.5. Why 2.5?
No, it's not 2.5.
It'd just be zero point 0.5.
Point 0.5, yeah.
Okay. One. So then now you get 1 comma 2.5. Yeah.
Hmm.
Then you can get 2, and you'll get 2 comma 25 over 4, which is around, like, I don't even care. Um, so you get 1 comma 2.5. You get, actually, let's not do 2. Let's do -1. Yeah. Okay, actually, I don't think I can do -1. I think I have to do, 2. Wait, you got 1 comma 0.25? How'd you get that?
1 comma 0.25.
Yeah, I don't, how'd you get that? I got 1 comma
Oh,
2.5.
sorry, I wrote it 2.5. Yeah, that's it, 2.5. I was confused why
Okay.
graph is looking like this. Okay, thank you. 1 and 2.5. Yeah.
How would I graph 2? I don't really know how to do 25 over
Uh,
4.
for what? What value of x?
Yeah. 2.
Positive 2, right?
Yeah.
That's 5 square is 25. 25 divided by 2. That's what you need to do.
What is that?
When x is
24
2,
over 2 is 12. Oh, it'd be 12.5.
yes. So for 2 it is
Oh, I don't think I can
12.5.
graph that. Okay, so I'll just do -1 comma 0.1 then.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Negative. Uh,
Done?
um, yeah, and it'd be growth.
Yes. 5 to the power x, yeah. Okay, next question.
Yeah,
Let
right.
me do. So now graphing is done. Number 7. Let me take snapshot. Without graphing, determine whether the function represent growth or decay. Then find the y-intercept. Okay.
Uh,
So first is 0.99. So if base is between 0 and 1, if it is less than 1, then it is decay. Okay, because
yeah,
0.99 is less than 1, so this is decay.
so it'd be decay.
But 1 minute, there is times 3, right?
No, 1/3.
Oh, oh, 1/3. Okay, 0.99. Yeah, so it is still decay, and because the base is less than 1, and y-intercept is this coefficient. Okay, this
Uh,
coefficient. Yeah. So y-intercept is a is equals to, or you can just write
so
0.
wait, it'd just be 0,99, right? 0,99.
Yes, 0.99. Yeah, 0 comma 0.99.
Okay.
And second one, is it decay or
Would
growth?
AP decay?
AP?
Decay?
Okay, you mean arithmetic progression? What do you mean by AP?
No, no, not AP. I mean 8, like question 8.
Oh, okay. Mm,
Sorry. No, 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 it's okay. It's my bad. Is it
Uh,
like decay?
uh, 20 times 1.75.
To the
Uh,
power of negative x.
yeah, so this is 20 divided by 1.75. Let's check that. How much is that? 1 day, 1.75. This is 1 minute. 1 divided by 1.75 is 0.57. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't have to focus on this, I think, because the base, sorry, yeah. See, the base is 1.75, right?
Yeah.
Because it is having exponential, not this. This is y-intercept. So even here, you need to focus on 1/3. That's your base. Because 1/3 to the power x, this is the exponential function. 0.99 is a constant, right?
Yeah.
So here, what is the base? It's 1.75, but there is a negative
Oh,
power.
yeah, so it's decay.
Yes, so it's decay.
Okay.
Because if you
And
divide
then
it,
that would
you get
mean
0.57, 1 over
I see.
1.75, which is less
Oh,
than 1.
okay, and then 0,20 would be the intercept.
Yes, yes,
Okay, so 0,4 thirds would be intercept, and
yes.
then growth,
Yeah, it is
growth.
growth because
This
1
one would
over
also be growth.
number 10,
Yeah,
because E is
a positive number.
2.7. Yeah, it is a positive and
Yeah,
its value is
2.72.
2.7. Yes, 2.72.
Um, and then this one would be 0,7/5, and
Yes,
then it would be growth.
3 over 2. Yeah, because there is a negative power. So 3 over 2 is greater than 1, right?
Yeah,
Okay, number
and
12.
then it'd also be growth. Zero
Mm,
comma 7/2 in growth.
growth. 5 divide them. 3/5 is?
Yeah.
What is the, if you divide it, what would you get? 3/5, 3 over 5.
Um. Oh, it's decay. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a negative. My bad.
Yeah, it is point 0.6. Point 0.6 means
Yeah, it's
less
decay.
than
It's
1.
decay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Sorry.
Hmm. Yeah, so you need to remember that base is the term which is having exponent, and the term which is not having exponent, that's y-intercept, okay? That constant term.
Oh,
Clear?
yeah.
Hmm. So are we done with homework?
I
Or
think
is it?
so.
Okay, good. Let's go there. Hmm. So here you can see uh, there are three type of functions. First one is parent, y is equals to bx, okay? Or if there
Yeah.
can be a y-intercept like a, which is a constant, and if there is minus h, this is horizontal shift, and plus k is vertical shift, okay?
Yeah.
So if the base is greater than 1, then it's a growth. If b is less than 1 and greater than 0, then it's decay, okay?
Yeah.
And h and k, they represent shift, this h and k here, okay?
Yes.
So domain is all real numbers for exponential function. Range is it depends on the function. Like here we have y is equals to 3 to the power x minus 1. So minus 1, this means we need to go right 1, and minus 4 is down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the point, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so for this graph, what is the asymptote?
Um. So asymptote would be the two,
Yes. And range and domain?
and then domain would be negative infinity to positive infinity.
1 मिनट रुक जाओ बस क्लास खत्म होने
Range
वाली है.
would just be zero. No, range would be two. No, range would be negative infinity, comma two.
Yes, negative infinity comma 2, but um, okay, this is 2. So 2, okay, good. And asymptote is y is equals to 2, yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, what about this? Sorry, this asymptoted.
Asymptote's at negative six. Domain is at negative infinity to positive infinity. Range is negative six, but with like the curvy bracket,
Hmm.
comma, infinity.
Very good. Yeah, here you need to put this bracket because it is negative 6 is not included, right?
Yeah.
Very good. And then we already did this function, right? 2 to the power x. So 1
Uh,
third x. So 1 third x, if you have given this type of function, you can write it as 3 to the power negative x, right?
yeah.
Hmm. And then you can put x is when different values of x and get the corresponding values of y and then plot it. So
Yeah.
domain is always negative infinity to positive infinity, and range is 0 to positive infinity, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Like in this function, you have shift here, horizontal as well as vertical, right? This represent
Yeah.
horizontal shift and this represent vertical shift. And asymptote is always this, like +1. Vertical shift represent your asymptote.
Okay.
Like here, what is the asymptote? Y is equals to 1 is your horizontal asymptote. So y is equals to 1 is this, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So the graph will go about this, like this.
Okay.
Hmm. So here range is 1 to infinity. Again, for 1 we put this bracket, this parenthesis, because 1 is not included.
Okay.
In this one, what is horizontal asymptote here in this exponential function? Y is equals to
Um, y equals 5 minus 2
5,
power
right?
of 3.
This is the exponential
Yeah.
function, and whatever is there with this, that's the horizontal asymptote, okay?
Yeah.
Any question?
Nope.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey, I love moment. I just love this by moment. ना मैं नहीं सुनना क्यों जा रहा है यार पता है 2 दिन ऐसे गुजरा है मुझे पता है मैं ये सोच रही थी अभी जैसे तेरा मूड अच्छा था नहीं मतलब मेरी तबीयत खराब थी मैं मस्ती नहीं कर पाया यार